Ciao, fellow travelers, and welcome to the Amalfi Coast. This isn't just a trip, it's stepping into a real-life painting. We're talking about Italy's most cinematic coastline, a place where every winding road and sun-drenched village feels like it's straight out of a classic film. From pastel houses clinging to dramatic cliffs to the scent of lemon groves filling the air, this is the Mediterranean dream, ready to explore paradise. Let's dive into the 10 absolute best things to do on the Amalfi Coast. Our journey begins in the one and only Positano. Honestly, no place on earth captures the spirit of La Dolce Vita quite like this. Picture this, a cascade of pastel-colored houses tumbling down to a sparkling turquoise sea. It's a vertical village where fashion, color, and seaside charm collide in the most beautiful way. Get lost in its steep, narrow lanes, where vibrant bougainvillea spills over every wall. Each corner reveals a chic boutique, an art gallery, or a hidden staircase leading down to the iconic Spiaggia Grande. You'll feel the buzz of Vespers, hear the gentle lapping of waves, and see why this village has enchanted artists and travelers for centuries. It's not just a place to visit, it's a feeling. Next up, we head to the town that gives this coast its name, Amalfi. This historic maritime powerhouse has a story to tell around every corner. The heart and soul of the town is its magnificent Duomo di Sant'Andrea, a stunning cathedral with an intricate Arab-Norman facade that dominates the main piazza. Climb the grand staircase and step inside to feel a sense of history that spans over 1,000 years. Afterward, wander through the labyrinth of covered alleyways and charming squares. You'll find traditional paper mills, bustling cafes, and seaside restaurants serving the freshest catch of the day. Amalfi is a perfect blend of grandeur and intimate local life. Now, let's ascend to the heavens in Ravello, perched high above the sea. This town is where poets, painters, and dreamers have long come to find their inspiration. And you'll immediately see why. Ravello is all about its gardens and mind-blowing views. First, visit Villa Ruffalo, whose terraced gardens famously inspired Wagner's opera, Parsifal. The mix of exotic plants, ancient towers, and panoramic sea vistas is pure magic. But the real showstopper is Villa Cibroni. Follow its cypress-lined avenue to the Terrace of Infinity, a marble-busted balcony that hangs suspended between the sky and the sea. The view from here is genuinely life-changing. It's a moment of pure, unadulterated beauty that you will never forget. Time for a secret adventure. Tucked away from the crowds is the Fiordo di Furore, one of the Amalfi Coast's most unique and dramatic spots. This isn't your typical beach. It's a tiny strip of pebbles nestled deep within a fjord-like gorge, spanned by a stunning arched bridge high above. The water here is a mesmerizing shade of emerald, and the towering cliffs create a sense of secluded wonder. It was once a hidden hideout for fishermen, and you can still see their colorful boats pulled up on the shore. Getting down here involves a bit of a trek down some stairs, but finding this hidden gem feels like discovering your own private piece of coastal magic. For the hikers and adventurers, get your walking shoes ready for the legendary Sentiero degli Dei, or the Path of the Gods. This isn't just a hike, it's a pilgrimage with some of the most spectacular coastal views on the planet. The trail weaves its way along the cliffs high above the sea, connecting the small mountain town of Agarola with Nocelle, just above Positano. As you walk, you're literally above the clouds, with the entire coastline stretching out below you. You'll pass through terraced vineyards, ancient stone ruins, and fragrant Mediterranean scrub. The name says it all. Walking here truly feels like you're strolling through a divine landscape. It's an unforgettable way to experience the raw, natural beauty of the Amalfi Coast. If you're looking for a more peaceful and authentic vibe, let me introduce you to Praiano, nestled between Positano and Amalfi. This charming village is a local gem that often gets overlooked, which is precisely its magic. Praiano is known as the town that gets the best sunsets on the coast. Find a spot at a quiet bar, order an Aperol Spritz, and watch as the sun paints the sky in fiery shades of orange and pink, with the silhouette of Capri in the distance. It's a laid-back, soulful place where you can slow down and simply soak in the coastal atmosphere without the hustle and bustle. It's the perfect spot to unwind and connect with the true rhythm of Amalfi life. No trip to the Amalfi Coast is complete without a day on the water, and the ultimate destination is the glamorous island of Capri. Hopping on a boat tour is an absolute must. You'll cruise along the stunning coastline, getting a unique perspective of the cliffside towns you've just explored. As you approach Capri, the legendary Faraglione rocks rise dramatically from the sea, creating an iconic photo opportunity. And of course, there's the world-famous Blue Grotto. If conditions are right, you'll board a tiny rowboat and glide into a sea cave where the sunlight refracts through the water, creating an ethereal, electric blue glow. It feels like entering another world. A boat trip here is the essence of Mediterranean glamour. Let's talk about the scent and taste that define this region. Lemons. The Amalfi Coast is famous for its Fusato Amalfitano lemons. They're huge, fragrant, and absolutely delicious. To truly experience this part of the culture, head to the lesser-known towns of Minori and Mare. Here, you can wander through beautiful lemon groves, often terraced right into the cliffs. Some farms even offer tours and tastings, where you can learn about the traditional cultivation methods. In Minori, known for its pastry shops, be sure to try a delizia al limone, a fluffy sponge cake filled with lemon cream. It's an authentic and delicious way to connect with the agricultural heart of the coast. For those who love to get off the beaten path, we're heading to Sitara. This underrated fishing village is the real deal, truly authentic slice of Amalfi life. Sitara is the capital of anchovy fishing, and it's famous for its colatura di alici, an ancient Roman fish sauce that local chefs call liquid gold. You'll see fishermen mending their nets and colorful boats bobbing in the harbor. The town itself is small and charming, with a lovely beach and fantastic seafood restaurants where you can taste the colatura in a simple pasta dish. Visiting Sitara feels like stepping back in time and experiencing the maritime traditions that have sustained this coast for centuries. Finally, what's the perfect way to say farewell to this incredible coastline? With a glass of limoncello at sunset. Of course, this sweet, potent lemon liqueur is the signature drink of the region. Find a beautiful terrace overlooking the sea, whether it's in Positano, Ravello, or a quiet spot you've discovered on your own. As the sky turns to shades of gold and purple, take a sip of that ice-cold, vibrant yellow liqueur. It's more than just a drink. It's the taste of the sun, the sea, and the spirit of the Amalfi Coast, all in one glass. It's the perfect, sweet ending to an unforgettable journey. Salute. From the iconic pastel cliffs of Positano to the divine trails of the Path of the Gods, the Amalfi Coast proves that some places are just as magical as the stories say. It's a land of breathtaking beauty, rich history, and unforgettable flavors. We hope this guide has inspired you to chase your own Italian dream. If you loved this journey, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more stunning travel guides from the most beautiful corners of our world. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next adventure.